After 10 moves, all moves are forced moves. In fact, black will not have much choice. Now, can you see mate? Anybody?
Sir,
Yes.
I have done some planning of 3 moves or 4 moves.
Please tell me.
First move, Queen E3. Then Queen F4. And then killing the pawn. So
Very
the
good.
black will get mated.
Very good. Good move. Good. You have started planning. That is, I am very happy with that. While planning, you must consider your opponent's move as well. Okay. So nothing wrong in your planning. The thing is that when he moves over here and gives check, this can come over here. And then when you move over here, this can simply castle. King can simply castle. Then if you wish to kill this pawn, pawn will have support from rook. Pawn will have support from queen, and pawn will have support from this. So 3 supports will be there on the pawn, and your attack will be only 2. So it won't work out that way. Okay, fine. But that is, you have tried the planning. That is a beautiful thing. Always appreciate that.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, if I were black at this moment, then I will choose to give scope to queen and the bishop by moving to a5, attacking the.
Yeah, but now it is white's turn. It is white's turn. This fork is there. That's right. Absolutely right. Fork is there. Good. But it is white's turn. What white will play?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, queen will move to b4.
Who will move to b4?
Sir,
Can I say?
she
Yes.
will go. Queen will move back.
Queen will move back here.
No.
Okay. Okay. But this will again go back over here, or will kill this pawn, because pawn is having 1 attack and then 2 attack, and there is only 1 support. So again, black will get 1 more pawn. Now you see, mind you, black already has 1 piece extra. Black already has 1 piece extra plus 2 pawns extra. So 7 points up is a winning thing. What is bad in black? This is not developed, this is not developed, this is not developed. No castling. 4 bad things. And what is good in white? Everything is developed. Everything is developed. This is also free. So this is, we call it as a development. Yes.
Queen can move to d1, and if bishop killed pawn, then
Correct. Check. Check is there. But if this comes, then you can't kill this. This will be over here. Yeah, good.
Sir,
Good. Yeah.
sir, the knight will move to e5 with the support of pawn and attacking the other pawn.
Knight will move to, कौन से pawn को support करेगी?
So No, sir, not that side. E5.
Where? E5, this way. Yeah, it is not supporting this pawn, but it is only increasing the attack and attacking the knight also. The knight takes knight, pawn takes knight, and this goes for castling.
Sir, can I say?
Yes, Durga.
Sir, the bishop will come to a3.
Bishop will come to a3, thereby stopping the castle. Very good. And attacking on this. So at least एक piece तो मिलेगा. That is a good way of thinking. Absolutely good. Because if he saves the bishop, then next move is mate. What Durga has suggested is, everybody see this now. What Durga has suggested is this. This is creating attack over here, attack over here, and this takes this check and mate. Clear mating attack. So castling भी नहीं कर सकता है, कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. मैक्स टू मैक्स क्या होगा, ये आगे आएगा और कुछ नहीं. Stopping that bishop. और ये इसको मारेगा, तो एटलीस्ट ये बाद में कैसल भी करेगा. So it is saved. So 2 point up. Position is 2 point up. Giving up that piece, but 2 point up and exchange up. 4 piece versus 4 piece, but one rook is extra. Minor piece against major piece is there. So still black's position is better. But पहले की white की position जितनी खराब थी, उससे अभी थोड़ी कम खराब हो गई, और कुछ नहीं. Okay, fine. Let us find out what white has played. Absolutely stunning move. You cannot imagine, because see, nobody has imagined that. Otherwise, they would have told. This check. Very important. Now, this check, king can move over here or king can move over here. That's all. Only two options. King cannot kill this. There is a support. इतना तो समझाना ये है. Now we will look out for both the options. What will happen? Okay. The first option we will see this. This option, you know, there is a mate. Check. Now check is there, and at the same time losing this. Then with this check, if it goes over here, gets queen. If he takes this, then he takes this. तो pieces भी equal हो जाएंगे, लेकिन एक queen गई तो क्या, कौन जीतेगा? Naturally queen वाला जीतता है. So he doesn't go over here, and he goes over here, because यहाँ भी possible नहीं, यहाँ भी possible नहीं, यहाँ भी possible नहीं, यहाँ भी possible नहीं. He goes over here. Then
क्वीन ऊपर आएगी.
क्वीन ऊपर नहीं आएगी बेटा, क्वीन यहाँ आएगी. चेक, क्योंकि ऊपर आएगी तो ये मारेगा ना बेटा. ये चेक में अभी देखो, यहाँ नहीं आ सकता है, 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 और यहाँ भी नहीं आ सकता है. It is almost mate. So this has to come in the middle. Then this goes check again. So ये only place है जाने के लिए, and this mate. Can you see the mate? So if king comes up, it is a mate. So king has to go down. king has to go over here. In fact, here I have not considered this also yet. Now what would be white's move? As I said, this was forced move. As I said, it was forced move. Cannot come up. This option is bad. So only option left is this. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir.
queen will come to A3.
Yes.
Queen will
Queen
come
to
to A3. Then this will kill.
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Queen E3. E for elephant.
अरे क्वीन E3 अगर E3 अच्छा E3 here.
E3, E. Yes.
Here ना.
हाँ.
If queen comes E3, this goes na.
Sir,
Or sir, we can, before moving the queen, we can move first knight to G5. Then queen is open to move because then
Okay.
king can't kill
Yeah,
the bishop.
if this comes over here, very good. And then so it is black whose chance? Black's chance. Okay. So black may come over here, saving this. Now this comes as per your cannot come over here. It has to come over here, and then this comes over here. Everything saved. और अभी ये पॉन अगर आगे आएगा तो इसको हटाना पड़ेगा. इसको हटा दिया तो ये मर जाएगा. और ये अगर इधर आ गया और चेक दे दिया तो ये खाली सिंपली आगे आ जाएगा. Are you getting?
sir,
Yes.
sir, but then the same will happen to the queen if she comes in A3. The pawn will block.
Yeah, pawn will block. And here instead of blocking queen, ये तो मिल रहा है तो पहले ये ले लो. So now you try to find out what should be the move.
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir, the knight will come to E5.
E5. Knight will come to E5. Attacking this.
But sir,
So this will kill.
after what's it will kill?
And this will also kill. And then this will also come over here afterwards. And this may come over here. Releasing this.
Sir, rook to E1.
Rook to E1. That is one sensible move. Very, very sensible move. Because the immediate threat will be rook over here, check. And ये इसको मारना ही पड़ेगा और ये इसको मारेगा. वापिस ये इसको मारेगा. इसका मतलब रूक और बिशप देके आपको क्वीन मिल रहा है. So this is somewhat a good move. Definitely. You have to consider this
Sir,
move. Yes.
bishop will move to G5.
And that is the wonder move. That is the wonder move. Why you cannot see this? See, attacking queen and attacking this. Both things are attacked. And now he has to save the queen. यहाँ पर पहले pawn था. वो pawn आगे आके queen को save करता था. अभी ये pawn है ही नहीं वहाँ पर. अभी how you are going to save the king? Queen cannot come in this line. Queen cannot come over here. It will get killed. So how to save the queen? This is the only way. No other way. And then you get this also. That is the best move. And that is what is played. So you can write down bishop G5. Absolutely perfect move. Stunning move it is. And forcing, now we have said enough, forcing black to come over here. So you write this also. Now again you have to find out what would be white's move. This is getting interesting, huh? Lot of interesting.
Sir, rook to e1.
Quite sensible. That move is very sensible, always and always, because there is one attack by minor piece and on queen, and then it is blocked. So that block piece is having attack. So you have to increase the attack. As simple as that. You are increasing the attack. Logical and sensible.
Sir, knight
Yes.
to e5.
Knight to e5. Knight to e5. Yeah, that is also sensible. But you have to tell me the reason behind it. What sense you are making out of it? Who
Sir,
said
the
that?
king. Yeah.
Hmm.
Sir,
Hmm.
the support on the bishop is going to get stronger,
Hmm.
and we are attacking the pawn right in front of the queen.
This attack doesn't make any sense. What if he moves this? Or what if he moves this and kill this pawn, attacking your knight? If you are going to check over here, this is going to kill. If you are going to give check over here, this is going to kill. And once queen comes up, it is out of the your hook.
Sir,
I'm there.
rook will come to e1.
Yeah, that is very sensible move. Of all the moves, this move seems to be very good. इसे बचाने के लिए कौन आएगा? क्योंकि ये चेक वापस देगा तो कोई बचाने के लिए नहीं आ सकता. ये तो गया काम से. Absolutely good move. Absolutely good move. Let us see what happens. Rook over here. Then black की तरफ से तो कुछ खेलने के लायक कुछ है ही नहीं. Max to max, he will play this only. Blocking. That's all. इसने अगर ये ऐसे किया, अगर तो ये इधर आ जाएगा. और इसने मारा तो सीधा यही मारेगा.
नाइट मारेगा.
या तो वो भी नहीं. ये इसने करने के बाद ये अगर मार दिया, अगर ये मार दिया तो ये मारेगा.
सर 5:02 झाली.
हाँ, एक मिनट. तो ये मारेगा. ये अगर मार दिया तो ये मारेगा. सो लिटिल प्लेबल, और कुछ नहीं, बाद में ये जाएगा. सो 3 pieces against 3 pieces और 2 against 3 pieces, but queen white के पास है and white is winning. So this is very sensible move. Very sensible. But as you know, this is for ordinary people like you and me. Grandmasters play something different. Even though looking very easy, Grandmaster played something different. I will show you that. What Grandmaster has played. Grandmaster played this. Why? Can you see? Now black tends to save this. ये जो मर रहा है वो पहले बचाओ, ये पॉन मारो, इसके ऊपर अटैक करो. और grandmaster player could have played this also. Both. You want me to continue now, or should we continue tomorrow or day after tomorrow? Anybody wants to go to another class?
Continue.
Sir, you can continue.
Yeah, I will continue another 5 minutes. I will continue.
सर उद्या पण क्लास
Definitely.
आहे?
परवा आहे.
हो चालेल सर.
Now think about this move. It's a fantastic move, or I can say fantabulous move. Black still responds with this. पहले सेव, बाद में देखेंगे क्या होता है. Now what would be white's move? अभी white के पास ये जो चांस था वो तो गया.
सर कैन आई?
Yes.
सर व्हाइट नाइट टू D7.
Check.
यस सर चेक.
ये गया. अभी तो एक क्वीन इसके तकलीफ से छूट गया, इसको भी सपोर्ट आया. अभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम बचा ही नहीं. एक तुम्हारी गलती से सब प्रॉब्लम टेकन बैक. नाउ प्रॉब्लम टू व्हाइट विल स्टार्ट.
Rook E1.
Rook E1 has no meaning now. No meaning. He will come this only immediately, cutting down this.
Sir, then rook D1.
Rook D1, attacking this. Rook D1.
Yes.
So this will again kill this. Yes.
Sir, the pawn is F2 to F4.
Wrong. This is pin. Illegal move. Illegal one. Ding ding.
Or illegal one. हाँ pawn illegal one thing नहीं समझिए. Yes.
I asked you one question when we were here. And he did this. And this situation, my question was whether you can see checkmate. And nobody could reply. And how many moves have been there? Till now, 1, 2, 3 moves have been there. I will tell you, there is a mate in another 7 moves. So from this position, and then when black played this and white played this, from this 10th move, another 10 moves that grandmaster has looked forward, foresightedness, so much. 10 move का सोचा है उसने आगे, and which is a very common thing for grandmasters. Very common thing. So we were here. So next white's move, I will tell you what. This such a brilliant move. This is a brilliant move. Now you will see that there is a checkmate chance. If black plays this, एक कौन कर रहा है ये? Who is that? If black plays this, still इसके support से queen will come over here, mate. If black kills this, still it is mate over there. और इसको stop करने के लिए दूसरा कोई चारा ही नहीं है, यही लाना पड़ेगा. समझ रहे?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि ये मार के भी फायदा नहीं है, ये मार के भी फायदा नहीं है, ये ऐसे भी मारेगा तो भी फायदा नहीं है, ऐसे भी मारेगा तो भी फायदा नहीं है, और ये मार के भी फायदा नहीं है. So what does he play? He plays this only. Stopping the queen is only important now. और ये भी रिलीज हो जा रहा है, easy. So this comes over here. Check now. अभी क्या करोगे? करे? Good. नाही, एक मावशीकडे ठेवली. हा, येस.
To G8. King will move to G8.
तो फिर ये यहाँ पर चेकमेट. अभी चेकमेट बचाना है तो किसी को तो बीच में लाना है. जैसे यहां से क्वीन यहाँ आ रहा था, रणवीर डोंट डू दैट. यहाँ आ रहा था तो ये बीच में लाया तो नहीं आ सकता था. अभी यहां से आएंगे तो किसी के ना किसी को तो बीच. एंड इफ दिस कम्स इन द मिडिल देन दिस गोज. So what black does is black comes over here. अभी यहाँ पर क्वीन से तो नहीं मार सकते क्योंकि फिर क्वीन विल गो. तो इससे ही मारना पड़ेगा अभी. ओके, इससे. ओके, नाउ ब्लैक सेज चलो पहले ये मारते हैं. क्योंकि अगर अरे ये अभी ना म्यूट करो बेटा. So what black thinks that if this discovered attack is there, this can come in the middle. Because there is a discovered attack, no? So this can come in the middle. That is why black moves this. That is why black plays this. तो ये discovered attack कैसे जाएगा अभी? जा तो नहीं सकते हैं. So black plays this. Still white gives this attack only. अभी ब्लैक बीच में आएगा. There is no alternative क्योंकि साइड में गया तो मेट है. ब्लैक ये मारते हैं, व्हाइट ये मारते हैं. ब्लैक ये मारते हैं. ये चेक. This has to go over here. Wait, and this is a checkmate. This is how it happens. और इसके बीच में कोई दूसरी मूव कर दी ब्लैक ने तो मेट जल्दी हो जाएगा. See 20 moves. I said 10 moves from 10 to 10. 20 moves. यहाँ पर many variations है लेकिन सब variation में मेट इसके पहले होता है. This is the longest and we always see the longest. यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये जो चाल थी ना, that was a good one. Rook to E1 was best, which we actually ignored. So you write till 15 or 16 only, that is enough, because further you have to understand these things. If you can remember first 10 moves also, it is enough, because it will last long in your memory. Then logical thinking is there, na? That you are not going to forget it. अबे मुझे इतना सब ये moves थोड़ी by heart है, all 20 moves. But my logical brain is working very nicely. So next move I can always guess out. I played once and I remember. So this will happen to you also. So we are stopping over here.
Bye,
Samia,
sir.
you joined
Bye,
little
sir.
late, but session is recorded. I know that your message was there, your mama's message. You will enjoy today's session like anything. I'm fully sure about that. After finishing, you immediately see that session. Because these starting openings are very important. Na? And rest of those who attended everything, they must have been thrilled to see how this develops chess game. Prithvi, have you enjoyed? Geico piano, it's a beautiful, Geico piano is beautiful, but now you know there is lot of answers to these things. There are answers. So that is why nowadays it is not played much.
Bye, sir.
Yeah,
Bye,
I will show you
sir.
the answers. Yeah, I will show you the answers in our next class.
Bye, sir.
Yeah,
Bye,
what is to
sir.
be played rightly, and castling first. Yes, bye bye. Those who want to go, bye bye. So castling is very important. When you play Geico piano and black also responds with similar move, bishop b5, sorry c5, then castling, immediate castling from black side is very important. I will show you if you have got time. This is the usual happens. This comes, this attack, and then this is there. But when this is there, there is a lot of different things also can be done. That is, you can prepare for this. If he plays, you play good, but you go over here. Or even this check will also be good. This comes and then castle, nothing will happen then. Nothing is going to happen. ये जो ग्रीडीनेस है ना यहाँ पर ये मारने का, ये ग्रीडीनेस ही पूरा गेम को कोलैप्स कर दे. You understand? यहाँ पर अगर ब्लैक ने कैसल किया तो nothing is going to be a problem. No problem at all. In fact, this is also one move black can play. Attacking this and attacking this. There is a different that fried liver attack करके एक अटैक है. वो अटैक बाद में चालू हो जाता है अगर आपने ये खेला तो. यहाँ पर ये खेलने के बाद है ना, यहाँ पर टेक बैक नहीं कर सकता है ना बहुत बार. एक मिनट, मैं इसमें से जाता हूँ. टेक बैक इजी है. या ये खेलने के बाद ये खेलने के बजाय बहुत जन ये खेलते हैं. एंड दिस इज वी कॉल इट एज अ फ्राइड लिवर अटैक चालू हो जाता है. वो मैं दिखाता हूँ नेक्स्ट इसमें. डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अटैक, टोटली डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अटैक. और इसमें भी बहुत मजा आता है, बहुत मजा आता है वो अटैक में भी. इनफैक्ट ऑल दिस ट्रैप्स यू विल एंजॉय थॉरली. लेकिन इतने आपको रट्टा मारना है ना ट्रैप के फर्स्ट 10 मूव्स का, कि कोई आपके सामने खेलेगा तो आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि वो ट्रैप खेल रहा है, तो आप उसके अगेंस्ट आपको खेलने को आना चाहिए. And otherwise you should be able to play this trap against anybody. If opponent defends properly, the game will continue, but your position will be always better if you study the traps. Openings, that is what we call it as openings. Yes.
Sir, every day I play chess with my uncle, father or grandfather, and
You are lucky.
mostly my grandfather gets mated or the king loses.
So you met your grandfather.
And sometimes
Very-
even I get
Very
mated.
good. Very good. Very good. That's good. But जैसे जैसे तू आगे सीखते जाएगा, जैसे वैसे वैसे वो लोग काफी पीछे जाएंगे. Very.
And one time, sir, my queen was gone and I mated my grandfather with 2 rooks.
Oh, good. Very good. Very good. That's good. दुर्गा, तू खेळतेस की नाही? हिमांशी, do you play?
सर
No.
अजून नाही खेळत.
कोणाशी पण? कोणी खेळायला नाहीये म्हणून खेळत नाहीस का? कोणी खेळायला आहे